Hey guys, welcome to my food channel, The Vegan Cook's Passport, where I aim to cook a vegan version of every national dish in the world. Now I'm going through the countries alphabetically, and the first country is Afghanistan. So where is Afghanistan? Well, the country is located just here in South Asia. The capital is called Kabul, and it's just there at the east of the country. Afghanistan's national dish is called Kabuli Pulao, which is a steamed rice dish, a bit like a biryani that you'd find from India, but not quite as hot and spicy. It's traditionally served with lamb or sometimes beef. I didn't think that the meat was really the centerpiece of the dish, so I've replaced the meat for chickpeas. One thing about the chickpeas, when you drain a can of chickpeas, don't discard the liquid. That's called aquafaba, and it's a really good replacement for egg whites. You can chuck it in the fridge, use it at a later date. The dish is traditionally topped with fried carrots and raisins. I've substituted the raisins for dried blueberries. Now, raisins are vegan, as far as I know. I saw these in the store, I thought they looked delicious, so I thought I'd just chuck them in instead. But you can use raisins, you can use any dried fruit. Some recipes call for the addition of yogurt or curds. I've replaced that with coconut yogurt, which is a great alternative to standard yogurt made from milk. This stuff is delicious. You can find the full list of ingredients below this video. Let's get started. Rinse 1 cup of basmati rice in water until the water runs clear. Take 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 12 peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 crushed cardamom pods, and 3 dried or fresh chilies. I've used dried. And fry in a pan with 3 tablespoons of olive oil for 2 minutes, or until the wonderful smell of these spices has started to perfume your kitchen. Add 1 sliced onion to the pan. Break the onions up with a spoon, then add a teaspoon each of ground cumin seeds, ground coriander seeds, and turmeric. I like to lightly dry fry and grind the cumin and coriander myself, but you can use pre-ground if that's your preference. Whatever grinds your gears. Fry until the onions have taken on a lovely golden brown colour. Grate 3 garlic cloves and a 3-inch piece of fresh ginger and add to the pan. Add the washed rice, stir everything together and fry on a high heat for 2 minutes. Stir constantly so the rice doesn't burn. Season generously with salt. Add 2 cups of water. Bring to the boil, then cover and simmer over a low heat for 10 minutes. While the rice is cooking, we can get on with the carrot and dried blueberry topping. Fry the carrot sticks with olive oil over a medium heat. Add the dried blueberries, then grate some orange zest into the pan. As you can see, my grater is, ironically, not great. Hopefully you have a better one. After 2 to 3 minutes, the topping should be ready. You want the carrots to have softened slightly, but still be crunchy. Back to the rice. If it's still not cooked, pop the lid back on and leave it for another couple of minutes. Add the chickpeas and the coconut yogurt. Turn off the heat, stir, and let the chickpeas warm through. The rice is now ready. Serve topped with the fried carrots and blueberries. So here it is, Kabuli Pulao topped with fried carrots and dried blueberries. It's pretty easy to make, looks delicious. If you're looking to pair that with some wine, I'd maybe recommend Pinot Gris, which might go quite well with those exotic spices in the dish. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, and tune in next week where I'll be cooking a vegan version of the national dish of Albania. See you later.